Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove freckles in the FaceApp in 2026. Do you want a smoother skin look without freckles? FaceApp can help you remove them easily, and here's exactly how to do it step by step. So let's follow these steps, but before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download and install the application FaceApp from the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. You're gonna just search for the app, you're gonna find this. It is the one says FaceApp Perfect Face Editor developed by FaceApp Technology Ltd. Once you find it, you're gonna make sure to install and finish the installation. Then you're gonna launch the app. After that, you're gonna grant the app the permission to access your camera and gallery. And once it has access, it will display a lot of pictures from your gallery, and you can use your camera to take a picture instantly. Now I'm gonna upload a picture from the gallery. Then you're gonna go to the retouch or skin section. You're gonna pull this bar right here. It is the toolbar. It says face filters or tools. So you're gonna choose the skin right here. And from this skin toolbar, you're gonna find the original, the freckles, the smooth, tan, no eye bags, unwrinkled, fresh, clear, glowing, bright, and matte. You're gonna choose the freckles. Then you're gonna apply it. You can adjust the intensity. Right here, you can select the level 2, the level 3, the level 4, and the level 5. And as you can see, it adds the freckles to your face, depending on which level you choose. And that's it, you're gonna save the results. Now removing freckles is simple with FaceApp, so keep your edits natural for the best results. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.